Hi, I'm Trooper Pollard. I'm a state police liaison down here in MEMA. I'm also a member of the state police drone unit.
The new document that MEMA created lays out guidance for the National Weather Service and how they can request state police drone assistance in anticipation for or in the aftermath of severe weather. This would be particularly useful after tornadic activity, strong straight-line winds, or high-impact flooding events. The National Weather Service would identify potential or real-time weather patterns, ideally 24 to 36 hours ahead of time, that they believe could result in significant damages that would need to be assessed. They would then send a formal request through MEMA for drone support, and MEMA would enter that request into WebEOC as a formal request for state assistance. Following that, MEMA would reach out to the MSP drone unit to see if that is a mission that they could support. The State Police Drone Unit would be able to provide a real-time, top-down view to the National Weather Service that would allow them to assess the impacted areas. This would further allow them to make a determination on the type and severity of the weather in a much more rapid manner than if they were trying to do it on foot or in a vehicle. The State Police believe so much in MEMA's overall mission and recognize the amount of overlap the agencies had that they saw fit to embed a liaison team in the MEMA bunker permanently. We assist MEMA on a daily basis, whether it be planning meetings, special event coordination, SEOC activations, or exercise planning. As a member of the drone unit, I participate in search and rescue missions, special event coordination for drone detection efforts, among other things.